Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for coming back. Today we are gonna clean the cheapest FA5 in the nation. It is about 30 degrees out today, so I'm not gonna wash the car, but we are gonna do the interior. We're gonna clean it up as best as we could. You guys, a lot of people are gonna be like, man, you're wearing the same thing as the last video. Yes, I am, because it is the same day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get her clean. Alright, cool, so the front ones are done. So don't clown me. I got this little tiny steamer. Got it for pretty cheap, so I'm gonna try. This is my first time using it, so let's go ahead and spray this up and see if we can get something done with this. Just remember, guys, I am not a professional detailer, nor do I claim to be. I am just trying to go ahead and make my cars look a lot nicer and better. I'm gonna let this video end right here. You guys let me know, did I score this? Did I not? Did I pay too much? You know, with the little issues that I did have prior to actually getting it. Was it worth it? You guys tell me. You guys let me know. Tell me how you feel. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy. You guys have a good one.